that a single procurement of 307 ambulances at a time, bam, a busy da. And when me catch up, says, "Ne ya to aba park, kama to ama nanado." Today, say, "See ya, me hey, ballot box to see ya, see ya, kama to atim." Why am I saying this? Because, sir, na wudimachi, and ye kwa rounds, and a wu nipa, a wakano, the yenya ambulance and fadin tum, the wu, na the bansu wu and the yama. Kabehu, nana, this one, oh, I salute you, sir. Where your first gun salute, one, gun salute, two, gun salute, number 3. Why are they? The ambulances, no, what taba, they are commissioning near the core. So we are centroni now catch up and you say we here, or mining here, dear way, or mining here, dear way, not penny in a year, woman a mo. It's in Anna, Modio. Monso a friend of a commission, when just and classes have no. And classes are man. Hey, President Gina, Independence Square. And the 307 ambulances are due commissioned. Yeah. What's the quadruple? What's that? I am classes and patrol. It's a region, they're crashing a matesa pack or region coordinating council. Moon distributu. And yet, then you can't quote. Ambulance here, when some year, Kayon and Crawford, and distributed, I did a berry at Monche. Na mom nana me yama my dear bi ho nana me yasa wonin krai me yama hyeme ade bi ho corruption no nana madwen ya me se age wonsam ya me se age wonsam me yusu ya me se cause bia na chna bibi beba minim. But say pa if 2017 besi ne 3rd February nana ya me say corruption no age wonsam me dia be ba ko na oyere na den and na hwan dey na me anya me hwan cause me medical ka say the NDC and the MPP difference e wo mu nyina ne say eso bia ne papa ba won ma me ye ba ko. They come from the same mother with different fathers. Nana, your grandma and confirm you how jida. Nana kumia, baby, a branch to a combo is so hokuta on the phone. Why shall I check it? Short sleeve it. Sometime that's at Tokrom, I want a Panama Messina, and then Nana kumia to her, and then confirm the Kobokina, 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 and confirm the Kobokino. Captain confirm no Mabada, and I'm sure Nana grab Remy cake who has a Mindy, and confirm Kobokina and Famra. Confirm na Manana. Na minim some sanka said jida tia de pa na kanye ye kranka by now. Oh. Kabibiasi. We see your bra. Nana, we see. Afaya kwada soreya. Nana what time? Yesi abobo ya 400. What 2? Wamusu what 2? Wama danen confirm. Say papa. Wamusu call Bali. Burkina. Confirm ko. Abobo ya 400. Your Excellency. Say no su baby egunu ayira. Abobo ya me yantamaya nka metu makwa donche abobo ya tu ayira. Nana. Enu kura de abobo ya de seswa. Enye mwanwa. Afa ya kwada so ya si bibi ya frada sikaveta. A 1, number 2, a 3, number 100, number 200, number 300, number 400, number 500. Excavator maku 500. Was this ho? Adiachi here. Wamoso adansa powder, konfokuta powder. Wamoso ayira. Excavator. Excavator maku 500. Yehu. Wamna ekro no powder. Ayira won system. and near maybe a one kitten, and it is na hardly. I am expecting, sir. One was share sa bobo yana so. And one was share excavator, a siho, any atabine, on timintu. Na excavator, say fam, oko. Nana, we who excavator, ni mo druche Land Cruiser. Ba, wetimi ayira, yes, wayira. Enya one pe. Yakasi two nana, you be we enya one wood, nana, enya one. I buy the crowd to the Bible, just said 300. It's me for buying 300, no. Excavator, Makuma, 300. It's me, ayira. Hey! Whoa! I dare do ye do two amuna donko. God, I'm safe where you do two amuna donko. And she was at 300. Shh, powder. A quack. I saw so for me deliverance. I'm sure tomorrow. That's all tough on by force. Why, yera, excavator, naira. By one crop, I was just walk from how. Say ye binum na je ye. E binum na seize ye. E binum na confiscate ye. E binum na ehwe so. Me nko bi sakura yes yo, ye wo apostle ni asojafo a wo adwuma ne se wo hwe excavators na ya gigye sisi ho no so. Enti na asojafo ni apostle no omwan. Hey! One way. And na papa. Excavator no ko afam frama. Very serious. As I say, you to be trans as of mine. Now you busa ya several questions so. Now you didn't sound kitten. Oh my nana, yes and no. You bugum kakra. You bubunugum sa. You never ya hosono. Now you budi say gram. No, be any swat at ho. But any Andrew Sabreno, a do time, ma. As I say, ye tibi yiri ye home. Ne ye born near maybe home by. If you say, Aquadacra and Nanny, ya won't no crown or some way or tia, a baby be bourgeois or Becassa by force. Ansha, Aquadano or Becassa. Sabi, excavator away on to be 100 kilometers per hour. Minyan shiabi. Ebiani ya excavator bi wo babia. Otimi kwa 100 kilometers per hour. Na impose excavator kwa 100 kilometers per hour. Land Cruiser kura obi wia apos fort biche no. Land Cruiser. Kura so obi wia. A police fort biche si kwache no. Enti excavators ye tutu fa hen. Excavators no. Your Excellency. One would they say, do share one son, one must excavators no, and he net to fire. Yay! And he that's why they didn't make diagro corruption no, yani the diagro. Now a cum be my casa sabro for the dead and that is a corruption. What can't you watch one who can cry as was smiling corruption? And you would ye. Corruption, and ye would ye. Hey, sir, obi bomb modia fa 1 million. Sir, 1 million Ghana cedis and now 1 million euro. No, what do you bet me? I bet me 6 unit classroom block. I'm on Quadat Namako school, then so a town man, Danny and Coffee. Yay! Now, yet your man, Naquabrania, so I say, Major belt to hook allowance. Yanaway, belt, and your belt, Nankaso, and your belt, no, and your belt, no, hook way, near to Croy, near your BJ belt hook allowance. And your belt, I'm away, Cajon, hooku, belt to hook allowance. You will be say, Obiso bottom allowance. Near the edge. And yes, shirt no, no, but bottom allowance. Yes, your mama kwabrane say 20 days how the kwajuma official do working days Monday to Friday 4 20 days. Say secure their kwa lunch 100,000 Ghana cedis 1 billion. I know your ponko. We are ponko. 300,000 Ghana cedis. Obianti minyani parepe. What's one year coffee buying pickup? I did 2 years a pet, you told them more than 2 years. Now, Oceania, Etimia Quatomi and San, no, some Faba Quantoso. Eh, Jenny. Now, set you a crat away, a Jenny, him, I said you a crat away. I have got a ton Jenny, I ought to. Some are don't pick up me and San, but the Baquatoso, but the Atoso. No, I question the Public Accounts Committee. No, I can't catch him, say, to err is human. Now you heard the news hard to err is a human. Now you John so got to err is so to err is a human. Now you John not to err is human. No quote. Hey, no quote free. Obviously, you're because I can't to err is human. Basic, you want to want some you. Yay. Why not to want some you? A dumb corruption ye did grow. Who call countries na yana moye and a Europe ni America and a human right to win you. Kwajina France abontin, Kwajina America abontin e din samfo na catch say human right ho. Ube who say human left so we ase. Kwajina ho na ye dia ope gugwa. Ube who say yes something day. Yeah, sorry, and a human right, Who can human right when it comes to corruption? We are bringing Nipana for 1 million Ghana cedis. Hospital sika wedi, Ekwan sika wedi, Suku dine sika wedi a school dine, baby a married you mamba kwa wedi ano they won't come here no. Yay! They are chini mwana kakra say human rights. Me de debia beka tro me say. Don't always think of human right. There's a human left. Left is what human na be me human ya me what right we no. Me left is nie. E do time say dufu dipa. Ma mo tiase. Go to Europe and see. Kofa one city. Debi America say we should read the American Revolution, the German Revolution, and then the French Revolution. Let's see how they fought corruption. Na baby omadru no omo the human rights here adwuma so to club ha wundru baby asa we say there some human rights no dey here adwuma we dey ba na here adwuma yeah prisons do do say crowd the club ha say you see a jeli ni patterns say say oba wi sika ye be baby do omaguo yeah ba ne ma so enwan wo na chese ye tikro ibu so saa say ye koto aeroplane na aeroplane no na lie abem say aeroplane na ye kwa akoto do say aeroplane no say cash kakra piem the sa branch na ana baba wona ye frɛ no intermediary 5 no ye hwan yay intermediary 5 oye hwan ba o de ma me kwa man so mra na me ba intermediary 5 Solomon Owusu, a mining engineer of Colorado, United States. Solo, good morning.
Good morning, Captain.
Nice to say.
Oh, Boko na mum Colorado had a Cassiana up here, ye gamancha waha, Wakantine Guma, Saturday, Bayna, Yabekatana Chinti, any brother.
Oh, Yamin Fanny Crans, ye, my, your friend is saying, we didn't say.
Oh, your friend, Lydia. Yade Emmanuel Kroma Gamachba Nidian Casa de Mr. Harrison Koku Amate or 77 years. I know you'll be our poor Ghana community no hapa watne krum hache Ghana community of Colorado high over 6,000. waboa ma sebi o mon krata asem ne ade ne echibi kotum no okoyi wo mon ne ade no oboa nkofo nya nkrata papa na som nipa me ade minim no na mo madam fo ne da abusuan panyi wa ha ono na wa ma me dwumadi esu no bi me ya santini 100% ba wa ma me dwumadi esu no ko a wo mo free Ghana eba different countries eba different states eba nyina wa ma me dwumadi esu no bi a me didi abo omo enti ha de eni breso ne yewo
Mamenda was na fe yembra aya na me hu sa wo send me niam bebre me cause sometimes when you adaje ko social media I see a lot of things you posting but and then make excavators say 300 or say 500 or me ma me fa buying figure no 300 pieces say it is why say comfort powder yes excavators na ira una odi mining nsemachi uhunu say
yo minia captain medasi se ka excavator me obi a my excavator ho adwuma as a mining engineer me start as a geologist e will go for excavator na yedi tu or anyway
okay yenye ne say aya na nipa bi ntini am bi ase e bi fi say bi ase bi eburu say bi anya ado wonye obi a bi sa na osori a na otrotro nsem na akeka kan say hu no wo ye hwan ya ye kasa Solomon Owusu ye hwan
yo captain medasi ne akunya odi amame hu se media na unime media na me pese meyi me ho adi bebre sa
ayi ene de
na wo ka Solomon Owusu a Solomon Owusu is a mining engineer and Solomon Owusu enya ne bachelor's degree in geological engineering from University of Mines and Technology yeah time na ye KNUST School of Mines and almost stand here in UMass from there no Solomon Owusu ye adwuma as a geologist and senior geologist. It will go for Takwa from 2004 all the way to 2011. Now that time, now we will live the two Kwanko UK, US, South Africa, near there. And I will say, we see the equate review until 2011. I resigned by my master's at New Mexico Institute of Mining and Technology. I know me master's in mining engineering. From there, I go to Arizona, Nevada, and Sana. 2015, Minya admission to the world's best #1 mining engineering institution in the whole world, the friend Colorado School of Mines. Minya and I'm saying that be mean this sketchy. The Mamen Sambe, me PhD. It's an also me start here. Me guswa, me wo ni wie mo anisa. But PhD ni mo no so no metrade, metre bachelor's, and a master's for adie, geostatistics, underground mine design, surface mine design. And also Anton me am wo me company e wo Ghana no so eye adwuma me no so me consult me san consultant eye adwuma e wo America krom ha in the mining engineering field and Anton no me the politics so na me say me dream Ghana ho na me feel say as a Ghanaian na my tumi nyame adom me mama ko the best mining school which mining engineering department also I'm the only Ghanaian not only African Mayor the PhD in mining engineering.
Okay, we kakre yaye. Afi yanko excavators.
Yeah, men makuma dagana o se nimdie na mission ha no me de bebo. Enu ntina magic and am say asema tumu a. Obi nti ase no.
Afi yanka excavators. What say ye we feel say?
Me say excavator no asema aban menua se ye di nukre e yo man ya ye di nukre pa wo mu a. President Kufuado eba o de say yen say obi o ye corrupt bia mana bem a o de katre ya yen so ye campaign de tan echi a so sen kasabri ida say wama interministerial committee for ministers ni nyina resign anase waji o mu nyina di say nyo mu nyina kora ni titine ni ye friend Professor Frimpong Boateng sabri nko so ujina di because obe katre ye say excavators Would you almost say 300 called it? Yes, would you mammy come trend? Would you mammy say 5 crown a year? How come? Say excavators are illegal mining. Muna mo say illegal mining no move to us here. Emma, one more ye galamsey no. My yomo ntiepa. Emma mo enya documentations. Aye juma. Emma enam so. Ghana yensua no. Yesia no kwan yensa se ese no yesia no kwan na mo say nipa we ya mutumi kwoti excavators no na mo wi a mo sa tonton se efa hin o se mo ye den yo
Dabi ne ton de menye sure say Solomon ye sure so evidence to the fact say ya ton
oh me ni say ayira me kasa ni say te captain team ye Saturday me pa che utie news fa
Dabi mentie
Concerned Small Scale Miners Association President atunanum to se excavators no owo nyinaso se o matonton enya me na meka obi otie news fa wo Ghana bi atie
media mentie
captain aha enti sana ade na koye enti me no the Concerned Small Scale Miners Association ni eka ema odibi kwa ye mfato ho se omo kwoti bi wo na bronco Accra FM so miti omo se omo kwoti bi wo Borga excavators no ewo individuals in some now first captain excavators wa woni excavator how heavy it is and no kwan no emre bia makwan wo the whole world say a support house in chance na excavator you be move no from one city to another city no at say ye dey see low bed so you two excavators no e dey see low bed so a transport to another city and non tonten say Operation Vanguard for ne Ganam so for no kwoti garantie na omo to key no e de kotu o makati ho ente ye den no munya key e de cost park ye etu ye e de si low bed so e mo de call ya ayira na pato captain excavator e won taban e pato etu o de minimisa o de o international traveler and last 3 weeks class 2 weeks na o France minimini na o de oji wadi pa na me pese me bisa say aeroplane crash o tirema ansana ne won taban betu no yes parke
yes parke
Professor Pempo Bati the so tire Ghana for say Ghana excavators nko among excavators o wi asen nko de on sparke cry o na no nya taban na tu na 40% confirm ta no omo patre ya na asem we ya asem o say Ghana for etekine lightly ada check the otafra teminu Ghana for ye ne abie ye nim ne ekoso Messi excavators ne be ekoye fa so etumum ye no wo mo koye hwemra excavator ba ku ye about $500 million enti na menim so almost say a trend me de menim say 500 enti me my
$550,000
$500,000
yeah 550 yeah
$500,000 no they multiply 500 now you are talking about $250 million which is about 1.3 billion Ghana cedis if I hear
ayira
if I talk if I hear wo mo ko say almost say ayira dia and you wo mo ntia first kan ma if Ghana for na yefa introduction tia
Solomon Amenda was membre nti
captain me da was me
ya me ya aduma wukua da ye beto aso and me nimre
no problem me that yo bye bye
and akosua airbus nti asem membre no kofo akwachiri kakra enti ma me fancy ha me fa only 5 callers honorable 5 pe oh nyabotre okay yemfa afre for this one facho nyame yaduma Wednesday mema kwan mo afre nyame yaduma Wednesday mema kwan